Hello, this is a video on how to set up your reading journal. So you need a space in your notebook that's just for your reading journal. You can do this by starting in the back of your notebook like I have done, or you can do it in a separate notebook. So in the back of your notebook, you want to write reading journal. And then underneath that, you want to write the title and the author of every book you read for as long as you have this reading journal. So I started off by reading The Patron Saints of Nothing by Randy Rebay. Then, on the second page is when your reading journal really starts. So, you want to first keep track of the lessons we learn. So, this is the first reading skill we learned today, contrasts and contradictions. Why would the character actor feel this way? Then, you want to set up a two-column thing. So, I drew a column down. In the first column, I'm going to put quotes. And you only want to put the first two words and like the last 2 or 3 words of your quote. And then the page number, and then the title of the book, so then you can keep track of it. The purpose here is not to write down the entire quote. The purpose is to give yourself enough information, or me, if it's me, that we can go back and find this quote. Then you want to write down context for the quote, as well as what it means, so you answer the anchor question. You can also use this reading journal to keep track of chapter summaries if you want, questions you have, vocabulary, or any other type of note that strikes your mind. Like maybe you notice a symbol or something. So this is really for you. And then I will be coming around and I'll be asking to look at your reading journal, and I'll be talking with you about your reading journal, and we'll look at your entries, and we'll talk about where your strengths are as a reader and what you can do to become a better reader in the future. So that's the reading journal.